Good morning, student. Welcome back in this class. Today I am going to discuss about the class 7th standard, chapter 2, multiplication and division of fraction. In the previous lecture we have already discussed about the chapter 1, that is the integers. In this sequence, first of all we will discuss about the fraction, types of the fraction, and some application which is based on the fraction. So the first term of in this video, what is the fraction? As you know that fraction is a part of a whole. Fraction is a part of whole. So according to the definition of the fraction is a part of a whole. It consists of the numerator and denominator. So numerator can be represent how many parts have been taken, and denominator can represent how many parts make up a whole. So here is the, suppose that take one circle and divided the circle in 4 equal parts. Circle divided in the 4 equal parts. If the one part is shaded, suppose that one part of the circle is shaded. Circle divided in 4 equal parts and one part is shaded. So here is the write the fraction in the shaded part. So here is the, according to the fraction, that is the numerator and denominator. So write the shaded part in fraction, that is numerator by denominator. So what is the numerator? Here the numerator, according to the definition of the numerator, how many parts have been taken? So here the one part is shaded out of the 4. So numerator becomes 1, and according to the definition of the denominator, how many parts make up a whole? So here is the 4 equal part, and 4 part make a whole or complete. So here the denominator is the 4. Okay. So next one, if the another part is shaded, then write the fraction in the shaded part in the circle. So here the shaded part in terms of the fraction, that is 2 by 4. Another part, when another part is shaded, so here is the, in terms of the fraction in the shaded part, that is 3 by 4. And if next part shaded, then write the fraction in the shaded part, so 4 by 4, and this is make 1, means it completed or whole part is shaded. So next term of the fraction, that is the types of the fraction. So here the types of the fraction, there are the two types. First is the proper and second is the improper. fraction. So proper fraction, so here the proper fraction and improper fraction. Fraction is divided in proper and improper. So if the any fraction whose numerator is less than denominator, that is proper fraction. Suppose that some example here, 2 by 5, 3 by 8, 4 by 9, and next is the improper fraction, that is 7 by 8, 7 by 8, 8 by 7, 9 by 2, and 11 by 3. So here is some example which is based on the proper fraction and improper fraction. Proper fraction, that is based on the if the numerator is less than the denominator, that fraction is called the proper fraction. And if the numerator is greater than the denominator, this fraction is known as the improper fraction. So here are some example. First is the 2 by 5, second is 3 by 8, and third is the 4 by 9. These examples are proper fraction. And next one, 8 by 7, 9 by 2, and 11 by 3. So here is the numerator, that is 8, and denominator is the 7. So numerator is greater than denominator, means 8 greater than 7. Numerator is the 9 and denominator is here 2. Then 9 greater than 2. And next fraction is 11 by 3. So in this fraction, here is the numerator is 11 and denominator is the 3. In above example here, 2 by 5, here is the 2 less than 5. In this fraction, 2 less than 5. Next one, 3 less than 8, and next 4 less than 9. So here is the numerator is less than denominator. These examples which is based on the proper fraction. And next, here is the numerator is greater than denominator, that is 8 greater than 7, 9 greater than 2, and next example 11 by 3, here is the 11 is greater than 3. So these examples which is related to the improper fraction. So in this sequence, now we will discuss some application which is based on the fraction. So here is some example which is based on the multiplication and division of the fraction. The first question here, 2 by 5 in the bracket 2 by 8 divided 5 by 3 bracket close into 4 by 3. So this type of question, first is the solve in the bracket 2 by 8 divided 5 by 3. So here the reciprocal of the 5 by 3. Reciprocal means if the numerator and denominator can change their own places, so the number will becomes, that is the reciprocals of the given number. Suppose that 1 by a number 2 by 3. The reciprocal of 2 by 3 means if the change of the position of the numerator and denominator in both are interchanged with their position. Then here is the numerator is 2 and denominator is 3. Then change their own position, are interchanged with each other. So 3 by 2. Then 3 by 2 is the reciprocal of the 2 by 3. So in this question 2 by 8 divided 5 by 3. So first of all reciprocal of the 5 by 3, that is 2 by 8, and if they convert the reciprocal of the given number, then sign of the division will change in the multiplication. So here is the 2 by 8 into, and reciprocal of 5 by 3, numerator is here 5 and denominator is here 3, and interchange their position. So the new fraction will come 3 by 5 into 4 by 3. Next, multiply of the numerator 2 and 3, that is 6, and multiply of the denominator 8 and 5 of the both fraction, that the number will come 8 into 5, that is 40, and multiply by 4 by 3. Next step, 6 by 40 into 4 by 3. Then start out of this fraction, that is 4 divided 10 and 3 to the 6 and 2 5. So the answer will come 1 by 5. So here is the 2 by 8 divided 5 by 3 bracket close into 4 by 3. The answer will become 1 by 5. So first step of in this type of the question, then change the reciprocal of the given number, and sign of the division will change in the multiplication, sign of the multiplication. So here is the 2 by 8 divided 5 by 3, then reciprocal of 5 by 3, that is the 3 by 5, and change the sign of division in term of the multiplication, that is into 2 by 8 into 3 by 5, and multiply of the numerator in the both fraction, that is 2 into 3, that is 6, and multiply of the denominator, that is 8 into 5, here is the 40. Next 6 by 40 into 4 by 3, then we calculate, the answer will come 1 by 5. So here is the next question. Here is the next question, which is based on the fraction, that is the word problem. An equilateral triangle measure 3 hole 1 by 2 centimeter on one side. What is the measure of the perimeter of the triangle? So the triangle is equilateral triangle. So here the equilateral triangle, as you know that equilateral triangle means the triangle having the same side, yani all sides are equal, and all sides are equal. Here is the triangle ABC, and that is equilateral triangle, and each side of the triangle, that is 3 whole 1 by 2 centimeter, 3 whole 1 by 2 centimeter. So what is the measure of the perimeter of the triangle? So here the perimeter means length of the boundary, or sum of all sides in the given figure. So in this question, that is the equilateral triangle, then sum of all sides and each side are the equal. So here is the perimeter, sum of all sides, sum of all sides means 3 whole 1 by 2 centimeter, that is sum of all sides, sum of all sides. So here the 3 sides AB, BC and AC. Then AB plus BC plus CA, and the length of the side AB is 3 whole 1 by 2, 3 whole 1 by 2 plus next length of BC, that is 3 whole 1 by 2 plus AC 3 whole 1 by 2. So here is the first step in this question, change in the improper fraction, that is given in mixed number. So here the changing improper fraction, that is 3 7 by 2 plus 7 by 2 plus 7 by 2. Then all the denominator will be same. Then LCM is here 2 7 plus 7 plus 7. 21 whole 21 by 2. That is 10 whole 1 by 2 centimeter. So in this question, the answer will be 10 whole 1 by 2 centimeter. Means if perimeter of in equilateral triangle, which is sides are the 3 whole 1 by 2 centimeter. So perimeter of this triangle, that is sum of all sides and each side of equilateral triangle is in this question, that is 3 whole 1 by 2 plus 3 whole 1 by 2 plus 3 whole 1 by 2. So here is the perimeter of the triangle, that is 10 whole 1 by 2 centimeter. Then now the next question here. Here is the next question, that is 8 by 8 divided 32 by 2 and divided 1 by 2. First of all, change the number 32 by 2, reciprocal of 32 by 2, and sign of division will be changed in the term of sign of multiplication. So here is the sign of division into, and reciprocal of the 32 by 2, the numerator and denominator change are interchanged with their own position. Then 2 by 32 into, and reciprocal of the 1 by 2, that is 2 by 1. Next, simplify here, 2 4 4 2 and 2 16 2 8, and the answer become 1 by 8.